fresh projects of the day. Goat chute, goat pen, goat corral, whatever you want to call it. Across the street, I don't know if you can see that. Tractor Supply across the street. So they had a whole bunch of old pallets, whatever, sitting back there. And I just asked them, I mean, they know me. I go over there so often. You know, the cashier knows me by name. So that they don't need my phone number anymore for the rewards and all that. She knows my name. But I just asked, I'm like, man, y'all check on, you know, what y'all gonna do with the wood that y'all got back there, those pallets? It's like, man, you can have it all. And they let me use their trailer free just to bring it over, just to get it out their parking lot. You know, that's some of it. The rest of it. Now, some of y'all be like, man, what are you gonna do with all that junk? It's a bunch of junk. It's a bunch of trash. Look a little closer. Ain't nothing wrong with this wood. Just got a bunch of staples in it, that's it. Nothing wrong with it. A couple of them is broke, you know what I'm saying? But nothing wrong with that. It's 2x4s. 2x2s. That's some wood I can use. And what I see, y'all see trash. Some see trash. I see goat pens. You know, chutes. And, you know, kidding pens. That's what I'm gonna use this stuff for. So, right here, gotta finish cleaning it out, but clean this area out a little bit better. This right, it's gonna be my goat pen, my corral, whatever. No, this is all fenced in all the way around. You know, just gotta put some extra, you know, maybe some extra electric wire across this front piece, because it's just wood. But it's, you know, gold fence all the way around. Blue, say hi, Blue. Say hey, Blue. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. It's my daughter's dog. But yeah, I'm gonna use this as my goat corral, my goat pen, whatever. And they still have, you know, the 3 acres to graze on. But yeah, so I'm gonna use this stuff, this wood that I just got from here, build me a chute right here, build me a chute off of here. So in a bag of trailer up here, a chute, have another little pen area over here, corral them, you know, ear tag them and all that stuff, worm them, then let them free. But I'm gonna make sure, you know, I'm gonna build a chute right here to load and unload, for load and unload, for a pen that's gonna go over there. Yeah, that's what I see with that wood. So that's what I'm doing right now, unloading this wood. Thankful to the people at Tractor Supply. I'm calling it a goat chute. We're gonna build me a goat chute right here, so you bag up your trailer right here, open up the doors. It's gonna be a chute. It goes to here, goes to there, then it's gonna come over and make that whole area pen. Hey, just an update on a little progress, all from the scrap wood that I got from Tractor Supply. See my idea now. Was gonna do it a little different. It was supposed to go that way, but I was running into a tree, then I was running into roots, then I was running to a stump, so I had to put it at an angle. I kind of like this better anyway. Looks better. But that's what we're doing. Catch you back on the next update. So update on the chute and pen. I'm still contemplating, should I put something here, but the trailer's gonna be here, the door open, but still contemplating. But we are done with the chute. Now this is all from that scrap wood I got from Tractor Supply. You know, just put together. any way that they can get together. It turned out pretty good, I think. I mean, my opinion. It's not perfect, but shit, it worked. This is my little gate I made just with a T-post. Just put a T-post in the ground and just set the pallet right on top of the T-post through the hose. Just lift it up. Bam. Got a gate. Didn't even have to buy hinges. No hinges or anything. Bam. I put these screws here so this gate wouldn't go back that way or this way, but it won't go back this way anyway because of the wood down there. But so it won't go back this way and stays there. So chute is done. Pen is done. Next project, gotta put some goat shelters. I'll put a shelter right there coming off those two big posts. So I gotta dig some more posts, put some more posts in on the front, put some wood on the side and the back. So that's be my next project. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. No, take that back. That's not gonna be the next project. This is gonna be the next project. Gotta get this closed off. Put some new wood up. Might put some sheet metal. Got a couple pieces of sheet metal in there I probably can use. Close that door off. No, I'm gonna put a door back there. Put a door back there because I'm gonna use this for my hay barn, my hay storage. So next project of the day, fixing the old shed. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you like the videos. Say peace out, Mr. Rooster.